just reading about a puppet, it's very rare. I mean, you just don't see them these days. Last time on site, 1306, somewhere in the Scottish Lakes, or the Lochs, should I say. So sorry, there's no chance of them seeing anything like that. There's sort of rumbling under the table. What's? No way! Look at this. This is the one. You know, this is how surprising it's been in this puppet workshop. Like the creations there. I mean, this is like so a rare thing to see. And well, it's really hard to pronounce the name of this. I don't even know if these things that you speak our native tongue. There's, as you see, there's others trying to interpret it's good on them, because it takes a very talented person to understand the languages, but it's all in the movement, as you can see, and they live in unusual environments, but they're much more happier with other puppets. You know, it's like a family thing, really. You know, so fantastic. That's really made my day, and I hope it has for you too.
Oh, Parker, can I have the rolls, please? Yes, my lady.
Wow, okay. Well, I didn't know you were coming by today. I was just reading a book about puppets, and you've just arrived. And what's your name? I've totally forgot your name.
It's supposed to be Parker, mister.
Show the children at home. Look at this. He's such a good friend, this one. He's got a good hairstyle. Have you noticed that? It took a lot of glue, didn't it?
Yes, my lady.
I like that.
Master.
Yeah. I know. I like being called my lady. It brings a side of me out. So, hang on. What are you made out of anyway? Tell us about yourself.
Well,
yes.
I am made from sterner stuff, and I hear my lady calling. Parker.
Oh, you can't stick around? Oh, what? Well, there you go. He's a busy chap. Look who's in town. Oh, yes. He's very quiet, this one. But he's brought his friend, you see. And these have been working very well together in the group, inspiring many other puppets. Yes, and this one here as well. And what are you made out of? Can you tell the viewers? Oh, it's so quiet. I can just about hear.
900 years you would be.
Oh. Did you hear that? How long has you been here now?
900 years.
900? Wow. So it's your birthday soon?
Maybe.
Maybe. And what would you have for your birthday? for 900 years. It'd be a big cake, wouldn't it?
Yes.
And what would you have in your cake?
Chocolate.
You'd have what? Carpet?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? I'll tell you what, I'm definitely coming to that. Yes. And how have you felt with being in the puppet workshop?
Very good.
Was it? What was your favourite part?
Being made up.
Oh, you mean like you came alive?
Yes.
And when did you first come alive? Was it the first week or the last week?
The last week. Feel the force.
Oh. And so how did you feel? Did you feel like you was going to be coming alive the first week?
Oh, yes.
You did?
Yes.
And how did that feel?
Feel the force.
God. And do you think there's going to be more of you coming forward?
Maybe.
In the future?
Yes, call him master.
What, you're going to be taking over the planet?
Yes.
Oh, well, we're looking forward to that, for sure. It was nice seeing you today. And thanks for your sharing. And
bye-bye,
yeah,
boys and girls. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, little friend. Yes. And take care and see you again another day. Well, you never know what's round that corner, do you?
Hello everybody, it's nice to meet you.
Oh, yeah, there's been many lovely creations, as you've been saying, but this is one of my favourites. Very interesting creation as well. Yes, it's got a very interesting way of how the mouth was designed. Without me having to explain, if you could see this amazing bit of engineering here, and actually coming around to figuring out how to create this kind of movement. It's done really well, and how it even has a voice. It has a blue voice.
A blue voice?
Oh, my mistake. I just got carried away there. Please, you continue and share your voice. So, if it's not blue, what kind of voice is it?
I don't know, it's just the voice I was born with.
Oh, so was you born with this voice right from the beginning? Or did it take some time to come?
Well, it took some time for me to learn.
Oh, it's a very charming voice.
Thank you.
It suits you well. I mean, you could have had any other scrappy voice, but I think you'll go far. You really will. I can just tell these things, you know. Don't know why or how, but yes, it's been very pleasant meeting you.
Well, I need to get home now. Bye, everybody.
Oh, yes. Thanks for sharing, and see you again another time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.